Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the archive and environment so the restore doesn't fail. First, inspect the takeout. Zip or TGZ for expected folders and total size. Corruption often shows mismatched sizes. Once done, make sure your device has at least the archive size plus 20% free space to avoid mid-restore errors. Next, install an extraction tool like 7-Zip or the Unarchiver and sign into the same Google account if you plan to re-import mail or Drive files. You now extract and start reintegrating content. Preserving structure avoids misplacing files. Extract the archive to a dedicated folder so you can map folders to destinations. For Drive, use Google Drive for Desktop for seamless sync on large batches, or upload in chunks via the web UI to prevent timeouts. For Gmail, import Mbox files with Google Workspace migration tools or via Thunderbird and a map. This ensures labels and timestamps are retained. Also map media and contacts to contacts and photos. You finish by validating completeness and fixing any issues before calling it done. Compare file counts and timestamps against the archive manifest and spot-check key documents and photos. Make sure Drive sharing and permission settings are restored. Reapply them if not. Once sync's complete, run duplicate and conflict resolution tools to tidy repeated uploads. If anything fails, re-download the specific takeout part, inspect extraction logs for errors, and retry the single failing import. This targets problems without rerunning the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.